So I made an impulse purchase this morning. Was into Lowe's and saw this, and I'm thinking, this would be kind of a perfect thing to have to blow up solar equipment instead of using my leaf blower or air compressor. This uses the 20-volt MAX battery packs. So let's see how this opens up here. Today's my birthday too, so happy birthday to myself present kind of thing. Do this without the directions? Why not? No. Yes. It's kind of cool. Alright, let me go grab a battery over here. One of these dogs. Holy moly. That thing's got some blowy on it. Holy crap. I like how it has variable speed with the trigger there. See there? I can go just a little bit more. I'll go full Nelly. And then the one setting here. Cool muzzle. Locks into place. Neat. Far out. Alright, I got some leaves here in the garage I'm going to blow with. So let's check it. Let's try it out. Uh-oh. Okay, it's got to lock into place. Yeah, this is going to work out real good. I just blew all the leaves out of the garage. Just a quick job. You know, I've got the gas-powered one I can use for like heavy-duty stuff, like, you know, around the trees and outside more. But I wanted something just kind of quick and useful. You know, blow out the electronics or whatever, and use the 20-volt system here. So this is the DCE100B. DeWALT 20v-MAX, what the hell they call this thing? Compact job site blower. Alright, see ya. Oops. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this thing. Holy moly, it's got some power to it. I didn't expect it to have as much torque to it.